Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for a project update. I've been on the road. I've been doing a bunch of confident helm training, so I've been slipping and lacking here on keeping you up to date on what's going on in the shop here. Now, just because I'm out on the road doesn't mean the team's not hard at work. So, what have I been working on? Well, we're wrapping up out here in the shop a BackCove 390 for Boston Yachts. It's actually, I think Andrew Savage sold this one. So you can see it behind me here. 390. That means Triple Merc 400 verados on the back of this bad boy. And so we've been hard at work. Everybody's getting everything ready. You can look right there. We've got the sea view mast with our Garmin Fantom radar. We've got our horn. We've got our backup mast camera, our GPS antenna. We've got all of those things here going up there. We've just obviously got it off for transport purposes. This is hull number 5, and this is the first one to get a SeaKeeper. Ironically, it's getting a SeaKeeper 5. So we have gone ahead, we've done the install on that. We'll be validating that here in the coming week or two ahead, I guess. And we'll have more info on it, but that went down in there. You want to know more about that SeaKeeper, more about that install? Stay tuned. We're going to have a whole video about all that stuff. So there was a lot of work going on there, but well, that was all going in down there. They were hard at work in here, getting everything buttoned up and put to bed. So what do we do here? We've done a pair of the Garmin 8617 displays. As you can see, we've already got our SeaKeeper brought up onto this display through our One Helm app. We've got our GMI 20, we've got our grid remote. You can see, like I said, we're wrapping up a couple loose ends, so I got some wires going on right there. And then we look down here into their mid-cabin area, and this is kind of the command and control, if you will, for all of your AC and DC needs. We've got our SeaKeeper display right here, our battery switch for our DC side of the SeaKeeper. Then you've got obviously all your AC, DC, your selector switches. You've got your Victron energy display there, your generator controls, our Fusion stereo. Then we've got a couple of rocker switches that we installed. One of them is for our Wi-Fi system. As with a lot of the BackCoves, we've got a cubby actually underneath the helm seat right here, and that seems to be a really good spot to start installing all of our black boxes. So kind of pan around here, you can kind of get you a better view of everything that we've gone ahead and installed down there. And yeah, so it's got the full Garmin complement of electronics on this one. And we're looking forward to getting it on the water, doing validation testing and sea trialing, hopefully get you guys some more footage. And if you've got a BackCove 390 and you're thinking about SeaKeeper, hit us up. sales@navtronics.com, or leave it below in the comments. We'd love to talk to you. Maybe you got another SeaKeeper project in mind. Maybe it's not a BackCove. Still want to talk to you. We'd love to take care of you guys and get you set up. We've been cranking through a lot of them this spring. We're seeing a really good uptake of those. So that's it. I mean, we'll get you guys taken care of. Stereo, lights, electronics, SeaKeeper, you name it. We're going to get you taken care of in the best way possible. So that's it. It's the 390. That's all we've got. And anything else you guys want to see, let us know. Peace.